This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. All right, everybody, here we are. We're on this roof, obviously. As you can see, this home was built in 1930 with a big addition in 1997, I believe it was. My guess is that's the original roof from 1997. Here we are in 2021, so this roof is old, to say the least. Now let's look at the ridge line. This is where we have the most obvious wear and deterioration here as I try to climb around a little bit. Whoop. Okay, here we go. All right, so you can see the wear going on here. This just curling of these shingles. You've basically got paper here anymore, just keeping the water out. You can see how these just tear super easily. Curling, shingles falling off, just basically in chunks. So we're gonna point this out to these clients, make sure that they understand this is an old roof that's probably gonna need to be replaced here in the very near future. It is interesting to see though how the rest of the roof actually not in too bad a shape. It is aging, as you can see, starting to lose some of the granules in areas, but overall not too bad. So we'll suggest the roofer take a look for them and give their opinion and go from there. Thanks again, guys. This is Brandon with the Home Inspection Company. We'll see you on the next one.